Hi to all the learners deck viewers out there, and this video is about removing duplicate values within your tables. So for example, if you have listed down values or content within your table and now you realize that the data was actually incorrect, but maybe it was duplicate. So there are options within table functions which will let you do this functionality. So let's come and explore how this can be done. Click on any cell within the table. For example, I have clicked here. Now go to the contextual tab design. The table tools will appear here. Now you can see that within the group tools, you will have an option which is remove duplicates. But before removing any duplicates, you need to keep in mind some points. The very first one is that it's better to sort your data in ascending or descending order before removing duplicates. It will let you know if there are any duplicates or not. The second important factor is once you have used this option, that is remove duplicate, there will be no way that you are going to retain your data. So your data cannot come back. So before removing duplicates, make sure that you have realized, rechecked, review your tables, your data correctly so that nothing important gets missed. So after checking all these functions, what you'll do is you'll sort the options. I'll sort it with regions, and I'll just remove duplicates with column F for the region. So I'll click here, I'll click on the region, I'll click on remove duplicate. A new window will pop up. It gives me choices among all the headers that are available within my datasheet. I'll unselect all first and make sure that this checkbox is checked. It will exclude your headers from this remove duplicate function. So after this, you can select either one column or multiple columns with which or from which you would like to remove duplicates. I'll select region and I'll click here OK. Now the only thing that Excel will pop up is it will give you a summary that 33 duplicates were removed and 8 unique values are remaining. So once you have clicked OK, this is the point where you can back or you can review your data. You can press a Control Z and your functions will no matter appears. So the data will be there and you will no longer be able to miss any of the data that is being removed by the remove duplicate option. But once you have proceed and the data has been removed, you need to put in again. So make sure that before removing duplicates, you have checked all these options, you have reviewed your data, and you are aware of the fact that what will be actually removed from your columns or from your list. So please use this option, but use it carefully so that nothing important gets missed at your end. And make sure that you have hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, which is Learner Deck. Stay tuned and thanks for watching this video.